Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated mirrors. Mirrors are and will forever be a must-have in any home or bathroom. To appear your best, whether you're going to the workplace or the mall, you'll need them to put on makeup, wash your face, try on clothes, and more. Due to the wonders of technology, however, mirrors aren't just limited to simply taking a look at yourself. In today's modern world, mirrors now offer so many functions and features that'll help you get ready for the long day ahead. To assist you in finding the ideal one for your home, our team has scoured all of the internet to provide you with the top 7 highest rated mirrors available. The team at trustedshopguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the mirrors that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out at trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first mirror in our list is the GLAMCOR Vanity Makeup Mirror. The GLAMCOR Vanity Mirror sports a sleek and modern design that'll add a lot of personality to the makeup area. It features 5 dimming stages with proprietary LED technology that allows you to see what you look like in different lightings. In terms of size, this vanity mirror has dimensions of 0.37 by 13 by 9.5 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the GLAMCOR Vanity Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: HD daylight and LED lighting. This allows you to pick the best lighting for any setting. Bluetooth compatible. You can take flawless selfies, videos, or do live streaming, as you can attach your device to the magnetic phone holder and connect your device to the mirror via Bluetooth. Multi-functionality. You can attach this to your bathroom mirror, prop it on your vanity table, or use it as a ring light. Conveniently portable. Due to its compact size, you can easily bring this during travels, making it especially useful in dim hotel lighting. 5 to 10 times magnification mirror. This feature ensures perfect makeup application. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is the battery life only lasts for a couple of days, so be sure to charge it constantly. The second mirror in our list is the FENCHILIN Lighted Makeup Mirror. This mirror offers the best colors and brightness settings. It's made of premium quality material and it's built with a solid metal frame and base. It's also worth noting that its non-replaceable bulbs offer 50,000 hours of lifespan, capable of withstanding heavy use. In terms of size, this mirror measures 1 by 14.5 by 18.5 inches and weighs 8.13 pounds. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the FENCHILIN Lighted Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 360-degree adjustable angle. You can conveniently rotate the mirror to meet the suitable angle during your makeup sessions. Touch buttons. The mirror's brightness and light colors can be adjusted to your preference with its touch-sensitive buttons. Sturdy base. Its base is designed with a non-slip pad, which provides it with maximum stability when in use. 12 dimmable LED bulbs. These fully meets the needs of different makeup styles, giving you a clear image of how your makeup is applied. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is it doesn't work with US outlets, so be sure to have an adapter ready. The third mirror in our list is the Chende Large Vanity Mirror with Lights. The Chende is a salon-grade Hollywood-style vanity mirror, making the ideal choice for professional makeup artists. The mirror's durability is backed by its high-quality 304 stainless steel frame, ensuring its longevity. In terms of size, the mirror has dimensions of 12 by 10 by 8 inches and weighs 42.7 pounds. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the Chende Large Vanity Mirror with Lights a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: it can be well-mounted or placed on a tabletop. You can remove the detachable base and hang it if needed, or use its base to stand on the desk. 4,000 Kelvin LED light bulbs. The light bulbs can be replaced separately and are conveniently sold in the market or your local hardware store. Perfect light projection. The light projected towards your face is balanced and will not form any shadows, allowing you to ensure a uniform color when applying your makeup. Dimmer adopts a rotary design. This allows you to adjust the bulb brightness to your specific preference. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is the instructions are a bit hard to follow. The fourth mirror in our list is the simplehuman Mini Makeup Mirror. The simplehuman Mini Makeup Mirror uniquely lights up automatically. It's worth noting that the mirror has 2 height options, which swivels to the perfect angle for any viewing position. The mirror features a long-lasting LED that won't wear out for years. It's good to know that the mirror folds down flat and stores easily just in case you want to bring it with you during your travels. In terms of size, the mirror measures 4.5 by 5.7 by 11.7 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the simplehuman Mini Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: True Lux Light System. At 550 lux and a color rendering index of 90, this mirror simulates natural sunlight and allows you to see every detail while doing the makeup process. 10 times magnification. This allows an extremely close-up view for detailed work, such as applying eye makeup or tweezing. Conveniently rechargeable. A single charge lasts up to 5 full weeks. High purity aluminum coating. This feature makes the mirror ultra clear, providing superior reflectivity. Distortion-free, the mirror offers precise curvature even around the edges. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is a bit pricey for its relatively small size. The fifth mirror in our list is the KEDSUM Magnifying Makeup Mirror. This mirror features a cordless and space-saving design, while its compact profile makes it a brilliant travel companion. It features a modern motif that blends in well with any bathroom and makes for an elegant addition to your tabletop. In terms of size, this mirror measures 2.9 by 5.9 by 8.66 inches and weighs 11.99 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KEDSUM Magnifying Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dimmable natural daylight. This mirror features 16 LEDs to illuminate your face and allow you to adjust the brightness to meet your makeup needs. 360-degree rotation. It can conveniently be adjusted in any position, making an ideal choice for the shower or bedroom. Dual power supply. A USB cord or 4 AAA batteries can be used to power the mirror. Strong suction cup. For maximum stability, the mirror can be locked securely on a clean, smooth, and flat surface. Distortion-free. It's made with 100% quality glass that magnifies in precise detail. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is a bit small. The sixth mirror in our list is the HiMirror Slide Smart Makeup Mirror. The HiMirror Slide is one of a kind smart makeup mirror that helps you assess your skin's conditions such as wrinkles, fine lines, clarity, dark circles, dark spots, red spots, and pores. In addition, the smart mirror effectively and efficiently targets problem areas for a perfect makeup routine. In terms of size, this mirror measures 11 by 5 by 12.5 inches and weighs 3.63 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the HiMirror Slide Smart Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Google Duo, music and social media accessibility. You can go on video and voice calls with Google Duo, browse Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook, plus play your favorite music with Spotify or Pandora. Improvement monitoring. The HiMirror tracks your progress over time, enabling you to tailor your routine to specific areas of your face. LED ambient light strips. You can adjust the color temperature and brightness for effortless and flawless makeup application. Augmented reality technology. This allows you to try new makeup looks at a glance. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the mirror is the lights don't get too bright. The seventh mirror in our list is the Easehold LED Vanity Makeup Mirror. This HD trifold mirror is designed to conveniently show you the makeup details on the side of your face. When not in use, the mirror can be closed to prevent dust buildup. It's worth noting that the mirror features a dual power supply powered by a Type-C cable or a AAA batteries. In terms of size, the Easehold mirror measures 7.7 by 3.2 by 12.1 inches and weighs 2.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Easehold LED Vanity Makeup Mirror a 4-batch rating. The team recommends the purchase based on the following: 60 high-quality LEDs. These provide 3 times the brightness of the basic version, allowing you to see your face for perfect makeup and daily skincare even in dim environments. Ultra-thin design. This makes it a convenient choice for traveling. You can simply place it in your bag without taking too much space. Adjustable color temperature. The light color is adjustable from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, allowing you to choose from cool white, warm white, and natural white. 4. Magnification options. It offers 1, 2, 3, and 10 times magnification to suit your needs. 180 and 90-degree rotation. You can view your face from any angle for effortless makeup application. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the mirror is be sure to tighten the mirror screws every now and then, since they can get loose with daily use. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated mirrors, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mirror roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.